Every time.
In the building. Family, how you doing?
What's going on, man? Everything all right?
Yeah, man, big respect. Good night, good night.
President
business.
The president has strategized the rest of the evening. How his plan is going to go.
Listen, what we do is for a worthy cause, right? And we're proud to do this. Labor of love, all for our island home.
For the children, beautiful children of Jamaica.
For the beautiful children of Jamaica, we now stop work. Our board is work oriented. So we just do the work.
Until we're dead.
Huh?
Until we're dead.
No, we're not going to party. I leave a party all time.
Okay.
Go to the party all time.
At least it's not wasting time. It's working, right? For the underprivileged or the underserved and the most vulnerable in society, the young children.
Definitely. Big up Jump Back for life.
Jump Back for life.
I'm gonna be there like my security guard, watch it.
You must have known that I feel it's deep enough to swim in. That's when you opened up your heart and you told me to come and go.
That's big singer in the building.
Baba, show them my love. When the night falls. Sing! Come on! Hold on, I'm gonna come inside of the text. The texting of one on here. I'm here texting of one on here. The texting club is.
Yeah.
Phone call and text. Tell them my God. Tell them how you know. How you know, colleague. Tell them how you know. How would you know? How would you know? How would these two nice beautiful ladies are coming?
This lady looks so she looks like I see her somewhere before.
You saw me last Saturday with Michael. I'm Mojo.
Oh, she knows where she's at. Oh, good. Good that you're supporting a Jamaican function.
Yes.
Big up yourself. out. I know you can't play. Yeah, go on, you. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop.
And I'll be by your side. I've come to take you there, show you how to care. Just be aware that you have to share. I want your love, I want it tonight. I'm taking your heart, so don't touch my eye. I'll be your answer, I'll be your wish, I'll be your fantasy, your favorite dish. I'm gonna be there with you.
So welcome to the Outside Lounge. Every other Friday right here in Queens. I'm holding it down until the, what is it called? Mr. Excitement, TC. My good pleasure. Some musical entertainment tonight by DJ Shorty. I go by the name of DJ Wayne, aka the Rhythm Rider. So make sure to visit the bar, visit the food. I know they cook very well.